Your lock is what secures your door. And your door is all that stands between everyone else and your family. A door locked with a standard lock can be opened in only 9 seconds. Whereas our new ULTION lock stays locked. Why is it so secure? Well, the ULTION core is made from molybdenum, which is 25% denser than iron. And when attacked, a series of hidden bolts inside this core are triggered. This is double lockdown mode, and is what stops the intruder opening your door. Not only does everybody approve, it carries a £1,000 security guarantee. For extra security, you can stop other people from copying your keys with your unique code using ULTION Key Control, where copies can only be made when you reply to an approval email. Track or alarm your lost key from your Bluetooth phone. Make your keys glow in the dark. Light up the keyhole using a built-in torch. Choose different color keys for different people or different doors, and you can even use the same key in all of your doors and locks. All made exclusively for ULTION.